Yo, can we have a Nana, please? Maybe. No problem if you can't. I'm just wondering.
Your safety is my
Oh.
primary concern.
I must know how your
No, it's fine. It's fine. Just play your best. I was just wondering.
Attackers incoming in 30
อ๋อที่สาดีป่ะ
Can keep up with me?
Whereas the divas then were a double hit scan. Okay, that's workable. We can work with that.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
Mizu holding right side. Hi Zarya. Moving shield to the left. Actually, I'm gonna drop. Fuck it. Let's push him. I'm a douchebag. Suck. It's yo. Ooh, spicy. No. On the right. Moving to the right. Ollie. Help me. My bad.
I am not ready to be deactivated.
Good, moving up. Mizu. Helping main. Hey, darling.
Get behind the barrier.
Holding over payload in a couple seconds. Oh dear. Fuck. Huge.
Der Kampf ist noch nicht vorbei.
I am not ready to be deactivated.
I'm back in the fight.
This will improve your condition.
Our soldier's gone lower ground. I'm just gonna follow him. Rip. Oh, okay. The Rhine's low at least.
Suiting up.
Yes, the typical stun Fender Hammer now. Beautiful.
System restart initialized.
Oh, hello. Froggy boy's gone. Don't get too distracted, yeah?
Barrier activated.
Huge dude, why
Contest
not?
that, please. Contest that, Diva. Contest that, Diva. Diva's the one that gets on point. Diva's the one that gets on point. We protect her.
Okay.
Heals, heals, heals.
You are advised to look behind
Huge.
Please move behind the barrier. For your safety, please move behind the barrier.
They're going up top. Stay back, stay back.
Laying way the fuck back. Oh, they got main. Beeply boopily.
Behind me. D.Va's the one contesting. We just protect D.Va.
I am not ready to be deactivated.
Come out of this one. We can't do that.
Can we, after your ulti, Mora,
Yep.
are you good with Mercy? Is that doable for you?
I'm ready to initiate self-destruct
System restart initialized.
My will made real.
Don't move.
Pull him back, yeah. Get back.
activating self-destruct.
Double. I am not ready to be deactivated.
Yeah, Shatter again. Huge. Push this now, push this. Doesn't matter that they ulted. They don't have main tank. She got grabbed, you gotta eat that. Huge ulti. He's one. Killable. Stay on him.
Right, come, just behind you, Mora. There we go.
Complete.
Let's hopefully get onto more of a coherent team comp this time.
Score 0-3. Switching sides.
The only problem was that since we were running with Orisa, the only person that has to be on point is D.Va. But for that to happen, we need a long range healer, and we didn't have one. It was super punishing because like if D.Va contested, she was just gonna die. We just honestly needed the fucking Nano or Mercy, but it's fine. Let's play towards our strengths. Just go for Mora again. That's fine now that we have a Reinhardt Zarya. I'll play something for combo.
I take it we have 3 support mains. Do you want to do like triple support or something?
We can. Who's the other support me?
Astalo, Allied, and you, I think.
Oh, I'm not.
Switcher.
I've been filling a shit ton this league though,
Okay,
this
cool.
season.
Justice will be done.
Suppose it cannot hurt a little holiday.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
We shall prove ourselves in glorious combat. Greetings.
Okay. Gonna go main.
One. Attack commences.
Actually, I'm gonna go left side. We have no Lucio. The Ryan's getting back. Go left, go left.
Dude, Ryan just... He was here and he charged back. What the fuck is his first time with you?
Guess he's trying some Fire Strike bollocks. Best of luck to him. Nearly starting to push.
These range low. No external.
Push him.
No Lucio, shield's gone. Shield's still recharging. Please chill. Soft reset. Chill. Shield's half. Starting to push. No project. Huge.
Range dead.
Slowly
I'm low.
pushing.
Surrender to my will.
Torb node, whatever the fuck that is. Charging back. The fuck? You bitch.
Dead.
He's low. Lucio's gonna spawn camp, he's a little
Get
Reddit
grab,
shit.
grab. We got combo.
It's alright, he can't spawn camp in Ash. Top right now. Just make sure he can't get out. He should be a big stagger. Lucio's still up that one. You okay there, Ash? Yeah, you're fine.
Combo whenever, dude. Combo whenever.
Fire at will.
Grabbing. They're using everything. They're using everything.
Oh god, it's there as well. Ah. Oh, Zen's still coming back. We're not regrouped yet.
0-1, 0-1.
Sorry, it's actually fucking.
Maximum power.
Still regrouping. That was a shot.
Bubble you. Which is one. Not anymore. Bubble you again. Oh shit, I'm the floor. Oh, nice. Huge. There on the right side.
Yeah.
I'm burning myself. Fuck.
Okay, can we please get like a Lucio or something?
Enemy turret down.
Glory, my friends. I have your shield.
We need more damage to break through that. Their tanks are putting way too much
It's because we also have like no Lucio. We're just like very, very slow foot slog in top that can't do fuck all.
That's Brian.
Yep.
Just rush into them.
Nice,
Just
nice.
rush into them. Like
These
now we
are
always
these-
on this. Behind, careful, careful.
Blocked it.
Kampf ist noch nicht vorbei.
He's down. Nice.
Brian one.
Yep.
Got my ult.
Lucio's redditing on the right somewhere. Top right. Sorry.
Scared. Is Brian's alone?
Lucio's.
Fuck that Reddit Lucio in the ass, dude. Fuck me.
Any staggers?
Tell me if they're saggers. Tell me if they're saggers.
Any staggers? I see nothing.
Ash.
Ash on the left somewhere?
She's gone.
Ah, she knew.
Ah, fuck you. Yeah, she got out.
Let's find out.
Come back. Dog uses molten nut, whatever you call it.
Yeah, I got it. Nice. I got bubbles.
Огонь по готовности.
Careful with that. Grind this, right? Nice. It heals, nice.
Shield's half regarding.
I should have bigger.
Ash is at the back.
Okay. I bubble you. Grind slow. huge.
She's trying to grab, she's trying to grab, she's trying to grab. Get her.
I got her.
They have been revived.
Grabbing. Huge.
Good job, guys.
Complete. Score 3-3. Switching sides.
2 more seconds. Lol.
Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
What do you want to do? Run Zarya and play passive, or do you want to try an Orisa again? Like, this is scuffed.
I would fucking go fucking Ryan Zarya. It worked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Justice will be done.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Okay, boys. Put your carry pants on now.
I've got you.
I want to see what the hell he was trying to do. Is there like an angle for a fire strike or something?
Probably is.
He probably- I
Yeah,
guess he
there's
just
probably
scuffed
a
it.
wide shoot for,
3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming.
yeah.
Yes, there is.
Defend objective.
Yep.
Much obliged.
Fall another way back to the right, yeah. Shield's off, gotta recharge it. I think I just fed the Zarya a bit. Hogs on the left, careful. Oh shit.
Can you res that? Someone protect her. Don't let him push her.
I don't have bubbles. Nice picks.
60 seconds.
Yeah, I've got to play safe. Shields, like,
I can bubble for you, right?
yeah.
I killed someone. What the fuck?
No one heals. We've got to play
No,
so
hug.
safe. Nasu,
Okay, nice.
I like the W. Hog. See you, bud. Slight overkill. Coming back. Nearly have shatter.
I got high noon.
You know that. Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay. You just me.
Shield's half, taking it down.
10 seconds remaining.
I think they're going left side.
Yeah, I think so. Left.
Oh, no,
I don't know. We have a McCree there. No, they're right. They're right.
Right one. Grabbing.
Really?
Huge.
Thank you very much. Fonzo?
Aha! Give me the kill! Give me the kill!
Sorry.
No!
You want to play the game, didn't you?
Yeah. It was actually a fucking pop off.
Complete.
Terribly sorry.
It's all good.
Score 3-3. Switching sides. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
Oh wow, he's just solid like Zen 1 trick. Okay, explains it.
The allied guy?
Holy fuck, it's true.
It's like, why won't this guy go Lucio? I was like, oh.
1.6k hours on Zenyatta.
What the fuck?
Dude, this is probably the Zenyatta that I'm fucking playing, I don't know. What's, Sombra. I'm playing Sombra, and the guy just like one-clips me, even though he doesn't see me.
Well,
This
since
is probably
the Yara
the
is always meta, so...
No, he's not. Fucking hell.
What?
Like, I desperately want a Lucio all the fucking time when I'm on Reinhardt. Just give me a
Yeah, but
Lucio.
the
Give me
meta
a
right
froggy
now is
boy.
The meta right now is still Zenyatta. You go Lucio and Zenyatta.
You go Lucio, Zen, Brig, and it's like, you know, with a McCree or a Torb or a whatever.
4, 3, 2,
you know, the Defran special. Yeah, pushing main, why not? See if we can get you glowing. Nice.
You gonna pick? Bubble you? Okay, I got bubbles.
Bangs out.
Rain one.
I'm low as shit. Oh no, I got greedy.
It's okay.
Big dick.
Ryan's dead.
Yep, they're around the corner. They're stuck in. You can do this. Okay, maybe you can't. I guess our DPS were dead, my bad. We get a big regroup in?
Move up here.
You have no main tank, no main healer.
Play back, play back, play back, play back, play back, please, play back.
And there's the last one back.
That's healing spell.
Holy shit, he went Lucio! I love you!
On top of me somewhere.
Yep.
Yeah, someone's on top of me.
Oh no.
No!
Let's get you back in the fight.
No!
Into the iris.
The compass got it from I.
Experience tranquility.
Let's try, guys.
Ah well.